Welcome to our Veterans Day program.
Let's remember the soldiers this Veterans Day and thank them 365 ways.
Before our presentation, what I would like is, if there's any individuals that served in the military, would you please stand? And we very much appreciate your service and your sacrifice for our country. On behalf of the East family, we have a certificate to mark this special day. And we also have our Cover a Veteran with Love quilt from Mrs. Sisler and our fourth graders and our staff. And we greatly appreciate what you've done for this country.
We end this by using my freedom of speech today, saying, God bless America, land of the free, home of the brave. I want to thank all you children for this beautiful quilt. I will cherish it forever. Thank you.